Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're connected to the Jio Hotspot, either via the device Wi-Fi or the Jio Fi app on your phone. Once done, open the Jio Fi app or point a browser at the device IP and log in with the admin credentials. This gives access to hotspot settings. Make sure the device has at least 20% battery and your current SSID and password are visible or noted, because you may need to revert if anything goes wrong during the change. Next, locate the Wi-Fi or hotspot section in the Jio Fi app or the device web interface. This controls SSID and security. Once there, replace the SSID if desired and type a new password at least 8 characters long. Use letters, numbers, and a symbol for strength. After entering values, choose Save or Apply. The device may restart to implement changes. Make sure you reconnect new devices with the updated credentials, because the old password will no longer work once the change completes. Finally, reconnect your phone and other gadgets to the hotspot using the new SSID and password. Verify internet access by loading a web page. If you're unable to log into the device interface or the hotspot won't accept the new password, try a soft reboot first. If that fails, use the factory reset button as a last resort and reconfigure. Make sure to store admin credentials securely so you can recover quickly without needing another reset. This prevents data loss or extended downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.